Each of us human beings is capable of a spectrum of emotional expressions. Some of our emotional conditions show up outwardly through expressions in our faces, yet many feelings can be hidden or suppressed. Individually, our emotional well-being depends on our ability to manage our emotions. There are ways to acquire the management skills of identifying common emotional trigger points in real time. Are you ready to cultivate your inner sensibilities, strength, and courage? Are you prepared to build a consciousness of self-awareness and well-being? Managing your emotions is something you can develop, like a skill. Here are a few such skills to focus on. Making social connections. Cultivate acceptable adjustments in order to feel more connected to others and build stronger social support. Developing emotional stability. Develop your ability to cope, regulate, and manage emotions effectively, both positive and negative, by reducing the impact of impulsive or reactive feelings. Building resilience and adaptation. This ability makes it possible for you to adapt and rebound from challenges and setbacks. Showing gratitude and appreciation. By appreciating and expressing gratitude, you enrich your emotional receptivity for any of the good things in life. Holding optimistic and hopeful views. Maintaining a hopeful and positive outlook for a better future helps you to strengthen emotional well-being. Choosing self-esteem and self-transformation. Liking who you are, yet to be willing to change, will help you become more confident, take responsibility, and be accountable. Seeking meaning, purpose, and being productive. Feeling purpose and taking action are the key drives to pursuing a meaningful, healthy, emotional life. Since ancient times, people have been pursuing inner peace and calm, trying to balance desires with satisfaction. To achieve that healthy state, it helps to see the big picture, not just narrow circumstances. To understand what others are going through too can help you avoid getting triggered by your own emotional bias and drama. Are you capable of emotional good health despite having to deal with relationship issues or unexpected events? Building strong emotional health will depend on your desire to put the experiences of life into proper perspective. That's called wisdom.